I warned the people of the great and terrible flood of the earth. But totally forgot about the smaller flood of our leaky water pipes.
I told you to check it.
I'm a prophet, babe, not a handyman. You never know when a house flood will surprise you.
It could be frozen pipes,
Overflowing tubs,
washing machines,
water heaters,
leaky roofs.
woodpeckers. Yeah, woodpeckers.
Just an inch of water can cause over $25,000 of damage to your home. 5 inches, and you can make that $45,000. Wall repair,
$1,000.
flooded carpet,
$4,000.
flooded hardwood floors.
$10,000.
You don't have to be a prophet to know a flood's coming. You can have peace of mind with the B-Hyve Flood Sensor system by Orbit, one of the fastest, most reliable flood sensors in the world. When the B-Hyve Flood Sensor detects even the smallest amount of water, it immediately alerts all of your connected devices in just seconds.
Giving you time to protect what matters most.
Your ark flooded? What a loser!
Infidels.
Save money, memories, and your home by grabbing your B-Hyve Flood Sensors right now. Just go to bhiveflood.com.
You'll get 3 smart flood sensors plus a Wi-Fi hub shipped straight to your door for just $99. Period. No subscription and no monthly fees. I mean, who wants to make you pay for all eternity?
Satan.
Netflix?
What's the difference?
Oh.
When your house floods, it can easily wipe out your precious memories.
And when the whole earth floods, it just wipes out all of your neighbors. Keep paddling, Terrence! You're looking great!
House floods destroy your adorable baby pictures, electronics, furniture, and personal history. And once they're gone, you can't get them back.
Yeah, I don't think Terrence is coming back.
Doesn't he still have your lawnmower?
What else will the floods take from me?
Statistically, your house has a 40% chance of experiencing flood damage in its lifetime. And if you have a basement, that number jumps up to 98%. Other flood sensors have slow response times, taking up to a minute or more to alert you. In that time, a broken pipe or hose can pump out over 12 gallons of water. In an hour, that's over 700 gallons, destroying your house.
Want some house with that water, Raj?
Flood you!
Language, Roger!
Room temperature drops and spikes lead to burst pipes.
And a burst pipe, me know alike.
You're crazy.
You're a great person.
There you go. The B-Hyve Flood Sensor monitors temperature, so you can adjust a room's temperature before it damages your home's pipes and plumbing. And rising water won't disrupt the B-Hyve Flood Sensor's signal or damage it because it floats.
Just like baby turtles. That would never let anything happen to you, Raffaangelo, or you, Donatello.
The B-Hyve Flood Sensor alerts you in the case of a Wi-Fi failure, power outage, and even when your batteries run low, so you can always feel confident that your home is protected. The innovative B-Hyve design is small enough to be placed virtually anywhere. Check out how small B-Hyve is compared to the competition. They can't fit into tight, flood-prone areas like B-Hyve can.
Take it from me, the original flood warning system. Try it risk-free for 40 days and 40 nights. And if you hate having peace of mind, send it back for a full refund.
Go to bhiveflood.com and get one of the world's smallest, most advanced flood sensors today.
99 dry dollars could save you 99,000 wet ones.
Get on the ark, Roger.
No!
Roger?
No!
You're pretty much gonna die if you don't.
You are!
All right, I'll give you to the count of 3, all right?
I'll give you to the count of 2.
Do it, Roger!
You're not my dad, Noah!
1, 2.
I'm already done.
Ah!